Today, while I was, experimenting a lot of glue on creation, I find very glue is interesting for the, to go over with you, technique as well as some sort of, maybe we can utilize on our, new look, But basically, when you create art, there's a lot of techniques come along with, You mostly concentrate on the surface though, but this like one single simple material can be great, way to brings in some nice, interesting way to utilize on our creation. So I'm gonna basically stay on glue art here. Glue, what is glue? Glue is very important, for us. In our life, in creation, or anything, because glue come together everything. Sometimes relationship needs glue in a way, interaction with each other, way to work together. Or creation, we have glue to put together or tear off. And glue, works well with the things to fix it. So about a lot of way of meaningful, I interpreting into this material into my creation especially. And as an artist, I don't just think about only making art. While I'm making art, or before the making art, I always think in a certain way to interpreting in our life in a concept. Sometimes it could be spiritual, sometimes it could be conceptual, sometimes your personal, experience or thought. I bring into together, and that's how I look at it. Sometimes, philosophy, books and all sorts, be able to interpreting into the creation. That's what I like about, making art. When I look at art, when I have my own, agenda, when I have a show here. So.